Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch DVD player special for Hyundai i40 2011 to 2014 years. Okay, you can check this front panel. Header unit will come with special harness for Hyundai Kia power cable. Okay, this harness will come with header unit. You can check their DVD slots. There are 2 screws on top. Please take out screws before installing. Okay, this volume button, this nub button, and SD card slot, home button, mute, and other buttons. Okay, let me show it. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can choose music below it. You can choose the music, and you can check the setting. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car header units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Hyundai logo. Okay, you can change the theme editor. Theme editor color with blue. Any color you can adjust. Red. We choose blue, and you can change this button color on the settings, car settings, and personal settings, LED settings. You can choose the red, choose the color with red, and gray. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose blue. Okay. All apps are here. It's built in DSP amplifier, easy connection, Google Maps, it's Play Store, YouTube. It supports video out the headrest. Okay. Let me check the setting. About machine, you can check the MCU CPU octa-core memory size 4GB, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. And check the storage. You can check total 64GB storage. GB. Okay, let me back the home. First, already connect to Wi-Fi. It show Wi-Fi icon, and you can play video on YouTube. Let me choose. Okay, there is no picture, no image. No image. You need to just set it in the settings. Find the settings and car settings, driving settings. Turn on the watch video on settings. And play video game. Play YouTube. Okay, this is YouTube. Let me show the Bluetooth. You can long press add the app Bluetooth. This device name and the PIN number. Let me turn on the Bluetooth from my phone. You can check this is my phone Bluetooth. Please turn on it and search Galaxy S. And your phone will get message. Please put 40. Click OK. The first time to connect the Bluetooth, please you can try again. Sorry. Okay, it's connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay. It's hung up. Let me show the stream music from your phone. Sound from the Bluetooth from your phone. Mute on, mute off. Okay, there is two USB cable. This USB driver. You can connect the USB driver and support USB hub. This USB hub for USB port. And this front mini USB. There are USB front and SD card to SD card slots. Okay, long cable. Okay, connected front USB. Okay, this USB hub, you can connect this USB. Okay, connect. You can check this switch light we are on. Okay, this is USB driver. You can connect one of USB. It plays music automatically. It's USB 3. Let me choose this DSP amplifier. You can change the sound. Built in Google Maps. It supports running Google navigation and music at the same time. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.